Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 1st September 2021. Yesterday, as I was not in station, I could not upload my video. Today, Nifty rose another 200 points to close at 17,130 levels. In the process, Nifty has formed a solid body candle closing at the high point of the day, indicating solid bullishness in the market. Having said that, still the trend of the market is up and it is bullish also. Having run up almost 600-700 points in 3 days, Nifty has to consolidate. Any dip in Nifty towards 17,000 16,950 levels is a good buying opportunity. For all long positions, 16,700 is the new stop loss on closing basis. Moving on to short-term charts in Nifty. Again, having run up so far, Nifty needs to Nifty has to consolidate. Hence, it is not advisable to take any fresh long positions in Nifty. It is better to wait patiently for a dip towards 16,900-950 levels, which will come if not tomorrow, in another 2 to 3 days, it should come. However, for risk-taking investors, they can keep a 50-point stop loss over and above where the Nifty opens tomorrow. After the first 5 minutes, they can place a stop loss above 50 points to day's high and then initiate short positions, and that short position needs to be covered by the end of the day. It should not be carried forward. One more thing I forgot to mention was that time and again, if you can see some profit on the table, you have to take the profit because these corrections will be very short and it will be very short also. Market will be volatile. So keep booking your profits as soon as you see the profits. If we move on to Bank Nifty, which made a high of 36,550 levels today and closed higher by 77 points at about 36,350-400 levels. Looking at the Bank Nifty candle today, it was highly volatile. It is better to avoid trading in Bank Nifty unless today's high is taken out. For all positional longs in Bank Nifty, 35,700 can be maintained as a stop loss. Moving on to short-term charts in Bank Nifty, today's high of 36,550 can be had as a stop loss and one can initiate short positions in Bank Nifty for a lower target of 36,000, 36,100 on the lower side. Here also the rallies will be short and sharp, so keep booking your profits. Today there are no stocks in my watch list as I have asked all my followers to close their entire positions today as the market is in a highly overbought position and it needs to consolidate or a minor dip needs to come into Nifty. Hence, there are no recommendations for tomorrow. Moving on to derivatives data. Nifty ended higher by 201 points to close at 17,132. Fresh longs were added in Nifty as it ended higher by 1.2% and Nifty open interest moving up by 7%. Nifty PCR is at 1.65 levels, which is again on the higher side. Put writing is seen at 17,000 and call writing was at 17,100 and above. Bank Nifty ended higher by 77 points to close at 36,424. Fresh longs were added as Bank Nifty rose 0.21% and open interest going up by 7.5%. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.1. Minor short positions were added by FIIs in trade today. They net sold indices worth 330 crores and their open interest went up by 470 contracts. Market breadth was positive. Again, VIX was up 9.5% to close at 14.52. Now a look at the FII data in today's trade. Nifty open interest chart for 2nd September expiry. Canara Bank is the lone stock that is in the ban list for tomorrow's trade. Thanks for watching. Good night.